Welcome back to the Travel Diaries. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, to witness one of the most iconic statues in the world, Christ the Redeemer. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel content. Let's dive in. Standing tall and proud atop the Corcovado Mountain, Christ the Redeemer is a colossal symbol of faith and love, embraced by people from all corners of the world. This breathtaking statue, measuring 98 feet in height, overlooks the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro and offers a panoramic view that will leave you speechless. The history of Christ the Redeemer dates back to the 1920s, when the idea of building a religious monument on Corcovado Mountain was born. It took 5 years to complete, and the statue was inaugurated in 1931. The construction was a collaborative effort, involving architects, engineers, and sculptors who worked tirelessly to bring this magnificent monument to life. Beyond its sheer size and beauty, Christ the Redeemer holds deep symbolism. With open arms, it represents Christ's embrace of humanity and his message of peace and acceptance. It's a symbol of unity, reminding us of the common threads that bind us together, regardless of our backgrounds or beliefs. To reach the statue, you can take a scenic train ride through the Tijuca Forest, one of the largest urban forests in the world. As you ascend the mountain, the anticipation builds, and when you finally stand at the foot of Christ the Redeemer, the view will undoubtedly take your breath away. One of the most magical moments at Christ the Redeemer is experiencing the sunset. As the golden rays of the setting sun paint the sky with hues of orange and pink, you'll witness a tranquil atmosphere that fills your heart with peace and serenity. Christ the Redeemer has withstood the test of time, weathering storms and natural disasters. It's a testament to the resilience and determination of the people of Rio de Janeiro and Brazil, who have embraced this statue as a symbol of hope and strength. Our journey to Christ the Redeemer has been an unforgettable experience. This monumental work of art continues to inspire millions, and it's an essential part of Brazil's cultural heritage. If you ever get the chance to visit Rio de Janeiro, make sure to include Christ the Redeemer on your must-see list. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and embrace the beauty of our diverse world. See you on the next adventure. Goodbye.